method having parameters is parameterized method. Method which having parameters is parameterized method. What is parameter? Parameter is a signature of the method. Parameter is a signature of the method. If pass parameters, we have to pass argument. If pass parameters, we have to pass the argument. From main method, through method calling. Through method calling. Okay. See, inside the method brackets, if you give the declaration, if you give the variables, there is nothing but a parameterization. Just will check it. I will take same example for understanding purpose. We can now see inside the method brackets, I'm declaring the variables. Int A, string B, string C, string D, long E, double F. Int A, string B, string C, string D, long E, double F. Now see. So E number is equal to A. That means now the value for the E number is passing through parameter. E name is equal to B. Email is equal to C. The department is equal to E. Phone number is equal to E. Salary is equal to F. Now see, I am creating object for the employee. Okay, through main method. Okay. Values must be passed from the main method. There is no other way for the parameter. Okay. EOBJ dot edetails. Here we have to pass the values. Now see long. When you use long, okay, so long is not identified by the parameter. Okay. So long nu parameter lo identify cheyaledamma. Okay. Integer float. See, long doesn't identify by the parameter. See, integer, float, so integer, double, char, string. These four directly identified. If you give float or long or anything, we have to specify. It will take as integer only. Okay. In that case, we have to use the L. Okay. If you use a float also, we have to say F here. Okay. Remember that. Next, double directly identify, no problem. EOBJ dot display. Already employee class is there. That's why I have to change the class name.
It is maximize the screen, sir.
Okay. So the values are supplied to the global variables through parameter. Yes.
It is maximize the screen.
Okay. Take it.
Okay.
See, very simple. What we have to pass, instead of passing the values directly, we are passing through parameters. Understand? So if pass the parameter, arguments must pass from the main method.
Mm,
Clear, right? Now my question is to you. Try for the arithmetic class, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Pass the argument. Through arguments, we have to, okay. Through arguments, you have to prepare the logic for the, okay, arithmetic class. See, usually, if you pass the parameter, you have to pass the argument from the main method. Okay. Try. If not, I'll explain. So, try. I'll give the 10 minutes of time. If not, I'll explain. Okay. Try.
Done, sir.
Okay. Check it. Already we have arithmetic class, right? Now it is parameter. We have to pass argument from the main method. We can't pass from it. When the method calling, we have to pass Java application, click on sum, subtraction, multiplication, division. Clear, right? Understand? So parameter means simply signature of the method. If pass parameter, we can call it the parameterized method. If pass parameter, we have to pass the argument from the main method at the time of method calling. The time of method calling. Next. So parameterization with the reference values. Parameterize with reference values. The reference values.
Can you explain the code again?
It's very simple. We have to pass the parameters inside the method brackets. So that means we have to pass the argument from the main method simply. So we have to pass the argument from the main method. When we are calling the method, we have to pass the argument. Those arguments will be supplied to the A, comma B. Now those are using inside the logic. Got my point? Parag.
Yes, sir.
Sagar, clear? Okay, right. Now see. Parameterization, okay, with reference values. Okay. Means for the parameters, we have to pass arguments with the reference variable. Instead of passing values. We have to pass the arguments with the reference variables instead of passing values. Okay. Now see. Okay. Now, actually, in this program, I did not use the scanner because I am not possible. Now require the scanner. Okay. Scanner actually generally we won't want this program. Now require the scanner. This program will not require scanner, just check it. Because I am not passing the values dynamically. So because values are passing directly in the main method in the form of arguments. Now arguments I have to pass through reference variable. Now it required. Now scanner we can use in the main method. Scanner FC is equal to new scanner. System dot in. Int string string okay. Now I am passing the okay referral variables instead of arguments. E number, e name, email, department, salary, phone number. Phone number, sorry. Comma salary. Instead of passing the arguments directly, we are passing the reference file. That's why you can call it a call by reference. Before that, I have call by value. Now it is call by reference. Now see. So it is parameterization, but looking like a okay dynamic okay